Don't you just love when you think that you're recording and you're not recording?
You what she want, she know she bad, that's why they so mad. All the other got is you my broken hand. Why you tryna hide it when you know you got it? Eyes on you when you come around. You my playground, let me play around.
What's up guys, it's your girl Morgan and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my updated curly hair routine. I've only filmed one curly hair routine, but it was going from straight to curly, and this one is like from curly to curly. So my curls are already like intact and they're already trained basically. When I go from like straight to curly, then it takes a while for my curls to kind of like, you know, like scrunch back up and, you know, have the full curl pattern. My hair clearly has been damaged. It has been losing its pattern and everything. But this is honestly the healthiest I've ever seen my hair. Before I went through the phase of like lightening it and everything, I had heat damage, like terrible heat damage. Like I've been straightening my hair probably since I was like 8. So it's been about 10 years that I've been straightening my hair, and that was like off and on. I didn't straighten it all the time, but then when I went into like middle school and high school, I straightened my hair all the time. So my hair was just tragic. It was its natural color back then, and now I wear my hair more natural than I do straight. If I wear it straight, it'll be like for some random special occasion, but then I'll literally leave it straight for like 2 to 3 weeks because my hair does not get oily. Nobody throw shade at me in the dang comments because I'm telling y'all now, like my hair does not get oily. I have to add oil to my hair. So like my curly hair routine, if I wanted, I could wait 2 weeks to wash my hair. Now that includes like sometime within the last week, my hair is gonna be in a bun. Look, I know y'all don't want me to be rambling because this is the intro and everybody hates long intros, so I'm not gonna talk about it too much. But if you guys want to know more about like my curly hair journey,
if you're one of those curly girls that are struggling and need some inspiration and just tips and tricks on how to get either your damaged hair or like lightened and processed hair, or like heat damaged hair, lightened and processed hair, color treated hair, if you want to learn how to get those back to being healthy and getting your curl pattern back, leave that in the comments. I would love to make a video about it and just continue to, you know, support your girl, because I need to start making more videos. I know, and I try. I'm just a very busy person. I'm in cosmetology school right now, and literally I'm at school for 45 hours a week. So I'm struggling with life right now. Cosmetology is great, but I have no time for myself, really. But it's okay because I'm almost done. You know, I'm on my 2-week break, my 2-week summer break right now. So I'm just ready to get things done so I can get the certificate and be on my way, start my whole life. And yes, okay, I'm rambling again, so I'm just gonna start off with the video.
so I just washed my hair. That's why it's wrapped up in a t-shirt right now. Before I started with the products, I just wanted to share some of the products that I use in the shower first. Just my regular shampoo and conditioner and stuff. The first thing I use, a purple shampoo since I'm blonde now. And then I'll go in with the No Poo Original by DEVA Curl. And I'll cleanse my hair with this. So this one I use to just kind of help my curl pattern. And either I'll do the conditioners separate or I'll mix them. Today I mix them. So I went in with the Matrix Total Results Color Obsessed conditioner. Then I'll mix it or go in after with the DEVA Curl 1 Condition Original. Depending on if I wash my hair in the shower, then I'll detangle in the shower. But if I wash it like leaning over in the tub or like in the sink, then I'll detangle it when I'm done. And I don't like to give it like a defined part. It dries really flat right here, so I try not to make it too defined. I just picked this up from like some like little store. It's just a conditioner. This is what I use before I detangle my hair outside of the shower. You want to keep your hair up as wet as possible. Your curls will be more defined after. And then I'll brush it out. Okay. Then I'll go in with this Marc Anthony Hydrating Curling Cream. There's 100% extra virgin coconut oil and shea butter in it, so that's really good for curly hair. It's also free of sulfates, SLS, and parabens. I take about this much product and I put it on one side of my head. And I just kind of rake it through. And then again on the other side. Then I go in with this Redken Curvaceous for spirals. And so I'll take about that much and put it on one side of my hair. I try and use quite a bit of product. I'll only wash my hair about like once a week. If I don't put enough product in it, I'll know by about like the 3rd or 4th day, and usually I'll just kind of throw it up in a bun. And again on the other side. And then by this time my hair literally just looks like string. My curls don't really snap back like some people's do. It needs a little bit more encouragement. So that's what this next part is. I'll go in with my Eco Styler gel. I use the crystal one. So I used to just put this on my edges, but now I put it all over my hair. It gives my curls really good definition. And look, like my hair just looks like a stick. And get my hands off a little bit, getting nasty. I'll go in with my Denman brush just to make sure the product has been evenly distributed. I don't go all the way up to my root just because I don't want too much product up there, because then it'll get really flat. Volume used to not really be a problem with my hair. Since I've processed my hair so many times, I can definitely feel a change in my pattern. And now is the time when I scrunch. You just love that noise. But honestly, when it makes that noise, that's when you know you have enough product in your hair. And this is why I have to scrunch my hair. If I were to just leave the house like right now with my hair just like this on this side, oh my gosh, it would just be tragic. And then the last part before I dry it is I go in with a microfiber towel and I'll scrunch even more. It speeds up the drying time. It'll just squeeze out the excess moisture that I don't need in my hair anymore. Let it go, come back like every day. Let me say, baby, you the best I had. It love for you is automatic. Left it, but I need it. I'm back at it like a bad habit. Feeling like a... Then I like to kind of flip it all over to one side to get rid of that part once again. And then I'll just like scrunch it together at the top. Whew, okay, now is when I will dry my hair. So I'll either use a diffuser and I'll do it on the cool setting on either low or medium speed. But when I was on vacation, I didn't have time to diffuse my hair, and so it was like this, and it just air dried. There was like no frizz. I guess that's what happens when you don't use a diffuser, which I really liked it, but it also left like the top of my head like really flat. So the diffuser helps with the volume, but it does cause a little bit of frizz. But air drying, you have more definition and a little bit more flatness. So that's kind of up to you and like your preference and how you decide you want to dry your hair. For time's sake, I am going to diffuse just for a few minutes, and then I have a couple errands I need to run and everything. So I'm going to go do that. You know you a perfect 10. I can't lie, I want you back. It's so bad I can't pretend. Making pray to God, please forgive me for my sins. Ay, foot on the gas, foot on the gas, foot on the gas. Yeah. She got her own 500K, put it out in the bag. You wanna get it alone.
No, I'm a smash, she do what she want, yeah. She know she bad, that's why they so mad. All they ever got is you, my broken.
Okay, so I've dried it to where it's like not dripping anymore. It's still pretty dang wet, but I am going to go run a couple errands. I have to do something really quick. I'm gonna eat, and then I will come back and we'll see how dry my hair is.
You so bad that I put it in the sun. Said, baby, you the one for me. You know you the one for me. Baby, you the one for me. You know you the one for me.
See, you the one, you never second. Lost you once, I learned my lesson. Let you go, I need you back. I can't relax, that's why I'm stressing. I'ma put you on the pension, treat you right and never mention other bitches. I don't want them.
Alright, y'all. So I'm back now. The only thing dry on my hair is my ends. I kind of expected anyway. This like back area of my head.
Always, ooh, focus, yes.
Always the wettest part of my hair. Like it takes forever to dry. I'm tired now. That's what happens when you eat McDonald's. I guess I'll diffuse at least the background of my hair so it can dry faster.
You were down. Tell me what I gotta do to make you mine.
Take a trip all the way to home. You don't gotta pay a cent. Say the word and it's on, and then we gon' get lit until early in the morning. You so bad that I put it in the sun. Said, baby, you the one for me. You know you the one for me. Baby, you the one for me. You know you the one for me. And we gon' take a trip all the way to home. You don't gotta pay a cent. Say the word and it's on, and then we gon' get lit until early in the morning. You so bad that I put it in the sun. Said, baby, you the one.
Okay, so I'm done blow drying. It's still like a little damp in some areas, but it's about like 80% dry. I always put in some kind of oil. This time I'm gonna be doing the macadamia oil. And I get most of it on my ends. And then like some, if I have like a couple frizzy areas. And if you can't tell, my hair is significantly shorter. I cut off like 4 inches of my hair. A whole lot shorter, but it is a lot more healthy. My curly hair journey is to just get it back to being long and healthy, because my hair has like never truly been that healthy. From the first curly hair routine I did, from straight to curly, you can just see like the ends and how damaged they were because they were so straight. This is my curly hair routine. I have also been using DEVA curl for about, I want to say like 2 months now, just like the shampoo and conditioner, but it has changed my curls so much, like drastically. If there's any other hair videos that you guys would like to see from me, just leave them in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Please subscribe. Thanks guys, love you.